No, Valby. Yo. What is it of respect to each and every massive and other spark success? You don't know what you're thing and that's a lie. United to stand and divided with all. So we have to go and do it, you know. And so on, man, we just go and get the thing together, build the thing and, you know, put the fire up on the road. Cause see how nothing I'm around, you know. No place not there for party again. No place not there for party again. Last night, me there, outskirt of Brahman, at different vibes, place Raman and all these things. You understand what I say? And when you check it out, you come and say, Nottingham used to be the party capital, and yes, what I say, and it just get from bad to worse. Now watch, look, now all of these things, all of these things you're gonna get, darling. Definitely. You know, my voice kind of Oscar last night, boy, I tell you. You don't know it's all about Stole of Mighty Crown. You understand? My brother Ninja in the house. You understand? V-Rocket and the whole crew, them. You don't know that was a mad piece of thing last night. Hear me now? Easy pepper hype, the whole family. Big up on yourself and more fire to the eye, them star. Katie Infinity, big up yourself. Big up to the ladies who come out tonight. Trust me, tonight, me now go talk up the little dirty things. Them, you hear? Me I go talk the straight, clean things. Them, all right, Paul? Yes, I mean. Big up to Tantan and the whole crew. Big up on yourself, you understand? Big up to the well-dressed ladies in the house, you understand? I can the whole crew. Big up yourself. Yes, I mean. Me feel like say I want to change a dance here. Because you see the dance here? The dance here, one dance was set for big people to enjoy some nice tune. I like how Finity I play, I like how everybody I play. But me want to start my thing different. Look out for Sonny's 50th birthday. You don't know that thing that gonna rock up the whole place. You know, so look out for that too. You see me I say? But right now, I want to start it for the ladies them right now. So let me slow it out. Request to the ladies them know you miss somebody.
I'll find a way to get through.
You're a slow first man.
Living without.
Not you said easy.
You were my sister, my strength.
I'm bank holiday, you know. You know it go.
Only God.
Let me fix up that thing now. Yeah.
Still I will get.
When the ladies them out with your friend, the Pick up till ears a minute on the heels, you know you can rock side to side. I like it. Yeah. I see a bank holiday, everything you know get today. What the leaders say there? Walk on. Now that's it.
Every day I go.
How you mean?
But life's just not the same.
Paul, I'm gonna hef up in here straight
I'm
up.
so empty inside, and my tears I can't hide. But I'll try to face the pain.
Yes, I am. I look out for the 27th of June. It's all about Clarendon Invasion. You don't know it goes Turbosonic, the whole crew. Just remember, look out for the one that mad some come to town. So in the meantime,
For all those times you stood by me.
Listen to me.
For all the truth that you made.
Second to the ladies,
For all the joy you brought to my life. For all the wrong that you made right.
The party has set away when we're going to deal with it different.
For all the love I found in you.
Educated Infinity, big up myself. Martin, the ball entourage crew, big up myself.
You're the one who held me up.
Yeah.
Never let me fall.
You know after we start slow, you don't know the thing goes. All the ladies that know you're a survivor, sing the party for me.
You were mine.
Can you please play that one for them, Belly?
I thought some time alone
Let me play some tune now.
was what we really needed. You said this time would hurt more than it helped, but I couldn't see that.
Easy does it, man.
I thought it was the end.
Right now, I'm bring all the ladies to our ear trial
of a beautiful story.
Yeah.
And so I left the one I love at home to be
can't remember. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Love has truly been good to me.
Nice one, match.
Not even 1 second or minute have I had since you've come.
He's a black boy, make up yourself a foundation, brother.
You know I'd gladly go anywhere you take me.
It's so amazing to be loved.
I'd follow you to the moon and the sky above.
Right now, mama, drop the one for the real ladies. Step now, now. You know what you're used to, I think. Wow!
It must have broke your poor little heart.
What you say, ladies? When the boys used to say, you look premature, man. Let's go, let's go!
Now they give all they learned in school to be somewhere
What more?
in the dark with you.
Me see a bank holiday, come apart to the
yes,
man.
they would.
Let's go again. Let's go
The
again.
teacher would ask a question,
And you,
would always raise your hand.
me see the party now for rushing. Success to the world.
But somehow you never got your turn, and my eyes would fill with water inside. I burned.
Let's sip it out.
Oh yes, I did.
All the ladies who know you're independent, sing.
Only girl,
I'm missing you.
you're so home.
What a beautiful woman in there. You're my beautiful. Let's go again. Bank holiday. This time I get it, so you can't say nothing.
Just a little bit.
I'm gonna fix up the ladies then. Good boys, wanna pause. Let's go, ladies, let's go.
I remember times, my love, when we really had it all.
Jesus Christ.
You were always there to make me smile, help me when
I'm stepping in that nothing to talking tonight.
Ooh, I can't believe you're leaving me when there's so much more to say.
Big up to you ladies, I'm proud of yourself.
You go.
No matter how you look, you're proud of
Ooh,
yourself.
every time I look at you,
All the ladies that know you're out with your friend, you love your friend. Well, I'm your good friend now. Put up the hand them in the ear. Talk the things and sing the party.
please.
What is the
Oh,
what?
just a longer,
What you say what? Together.
so we can make it.
What you say? And pull up that tune again. Sorry, my brother, but that's so it go. Let's go again. What you say? Give them a stone of pan. One stone now. Let's go, let's go.
Shadows falling, baby, we stand alone.
Come on, ladies.
Out on the street, anybody you meet got a heartache of their own.
You gotta be a
Make it a crime to be lonely or sad.
Jesus Christ. What I see, I go on
You
good
got a
enough.
reason for living you that long.
Lord.
With the love you live,
All the ladies that know you're not confident, don't move to that tune here.
we take it away.
What the ladies that know say you wanna close. What the ladies that know you smell good, put up the hand them, you know you smell good, wave them. Wave them. Bah. Yes.
Come on and rock me, girl.
Why may I catch up now, Paul? May I catch up? Wow. Let's sip it out.
Come on and rock me,
Pick up to the ladies that know you're sexy.
girl.
What is sexy girl them there? What you say? Hey,
Girl, no see.
can I hear you, please? Can I hear you?
Do you have a little time?
That sounds a little bit better.
I wanna know what's been going on
Yeah, my belly sucker serious.
in your life,
Talk to me.
baby. Your hair, perfume you wear brings back memories of you and me.
Listen me now.
What about you?
Come on, ladies.
Now
Now.
I've got myself together.
Pick up two ladies and me know said nobody no more than you.
And right
From you love yourself.
I know that it's easy.
Sing the part of me, baby. When you see a one-time boyfriend, you know what him said to you?
I've been really trying.
Let's go again.
Trying to hold back the feeling for so long.
I feel like the kicked up in
And
you.
if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on.
All the ladies that know you have a J.O.B. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it on.
Let's get it on.
One more time, ladies. Come on, come on. Let's get it on.
Sugar, let's get it on. Woo.
One more time, let's go.
We're all sensitive people with so much to give.
Listen to me.
Understand me,
I feel like to bring it back to some real memories.
since we got to be here.
It's bank holiday.
Let's
But I feel like to bring back some real memories.
I love
You remember this one? Big up to people I grew up on them soon, yeah. Me say me I bring you back different style tonight.
baby, let's cruise.
From I want touch stuck in the wicked. Not play with me, man. Bad success of fix up that thing, yeah, man.
Rocket.
Not play with me, brother, either. Hey, Melly, you mad, sir? Let's go again. Now shake your thing.
Baby, let's cruise away from here.
Ninja, you don't know the energy set how you're different.
Don't be confused.
Everything I clap, man.
The way
From
is clear.
when the people know I say you have it, sing the party. Born if you.
You got it forever.
I mean, say this is not a.
one night stand, baby.
When the people love music, what you say? Let the music. Oh, you mean? We see, I could even vibe and we are enjoy ourselves. Let's go.
Every night she walks right in my dreams. Since I met her from the start, I'm so proud I am the only one who is fair.
When the girl let me do your special, the girl is wow. Because the gone time girl is, oh my Lord.
When your legs don't work like they used
Not
to
do
before.
that, not do that. Hey, not go there say yet, not go there say yet. Play me tune them if you play. I'm not ready for this say yet. Not go there say yet. Play me tune them if you play. Be not ready for this say yet.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride.
Hey, you sit down, sit
And
down.
I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright.
What the happy ladies say, they put you out in the air.
Underwater.
What the ladies have been doing, the more them talk, them can't get you, them put you out in the air. Yeah.
Crazy.
When the girl let me know you're confident, sing the part, you know. Come on, man. One more time. Let's go now. Let's go now. Listen me.
Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand.
Some people afraid that tune, but me don't know why.
But I still need love, cause I'm just a man.
I'm a Batman, but me no Batman, so me play any
It's
tune.
never seemed to go to plan.
All the ladies them love that tune, you must have blocked the man.
I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand?
What the man never tell you, woman say?
Oh, won't you?
Somebody afraid for play, me play any tune, me a bad selector. If pastor said do what me say, no do what me blood. Hey yo, hey.
Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand.
Listen me now.
But I still need love, cause I'm just a man.
Yeah, chat the lyrics and some girl get what? Oh.
These nights never seem to go to plan.
So ladies, when your man walk out by your
I don't
baby,
want you to leave, will you hold?
brave and talk to him, what you say?
Oh, won't you stay with me?
Oh, you mean?
Cause you're all I need.
Lord.
This ain't love, it's clear to see.
Catch won't you?
Stay with me.
Let me tell you something. I don't know why some people are think Panda Youth and about him a Batman. Him keep him think to himself. But him tune them bad, the tune them off a player. Anyway, ladies.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Anyway, ladies, let's go now.
And I can't sweep you off of your feet.
All of this, let me know your mouth clean, scream.
Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
Yes.
Will your eyes still smile from
What the good as ladies them sing?
Darling, I will be till we're
Then suppose me reach 90, you know why me again?
when your legs don't work like they used
Suppose
to
me reach
before.
90, you know why me again? It's a different contract me have to sign.
And I can't sweep you off
Me don't
of
like
your
no part
feet.
there. Do a part, no. Yeah.
Will your mouth still remember the
So that
taste?
means when me reach 69, you know me I feel fret. Look a pies not coming in my teeth.
I still smile from your cheek.
Lord.
Darling, I will be loving you
Big up Tata.
till we're 70.
Whoa. Yeah.
And baby, my heart
He's a Marvin, big up myself.
heart at 23.
Slip off, parts of time.
I'm thinking about
I miss a lot. People falling.
love and mysterious.
But can't hear the ladies.
Maybe just the touch of a hand.
Come on, ladies, let me hear you sing Panda Junior.
Me, I fall in love with you every single day.
What the girl that me know say you love yourself, sing the
Wanna
party.
tell you
Sing the party. What you say, wow? Lord, kiss me and then Lord,
Please,
why? Baby,
thinking now,
sing the party now.
maybe
We found right. Drop it. Nice ball.
Gotta take a little time,
Lord.
a little time to think things over.
You know what, bank holiday, I can fix up the ladies. You know them always are cuss and I said that again them thing. What you mean?
In case I need it when I'm colder.
Big up to girl them are struggling at themselves. So you know what you sing, sir?
In my life,
Wow.
there's been a heartache and
One heap of things you got through, baby, they can't
I
stop you.
don't know.
If I
Can
can,
face it again.
Lord.
Can't stop now. After ever
All the ladies them know you're strong.
Change.
You're a survivor. Sing the party. Fix up the morning.
sweet love.
You know we rock you to the building.
I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you.
Yeah.
I should have held on tight. I never should have let you
Big up to young son of a man. You know, I'm fix up the
I
ladies
was
up
foolish.
first.
I was lying to myself.
We come again.
I could not fathom that would ever be without your love. Never imagined I'd be
everything alright. God love you. We'll sing the party, baby.
Left I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please come.
Ladies!
You know we had to do it again, right?
We had to do it again, boy. I want you to sing to these ladies, man.
So I'm up first.
I'm calling you to fix up the morning, yeah.
Baby, how you doing? Hope that you're fine when I know what you got in mind tonight. Got me feeling like Jodeci, girl, I can't leave you alone. Take a shot of this here Patron, and it's gonna be on. VIP then got way too crowded. I'm about to end up calling it a night. You should holler at your girl, tell her you're shaking the scene. Pull off peep peep shotgun in the GT with me. She said, oh, I'm ready to ride. I was like, yeah, cause once you get inside, you can't change your mind, don't need the sign and break.
Ladies, tell me what's up, tell me what's up.
Tell
me. Whoa.
Tell me again, my baby.
Love version. Big up to the ladies. I know say me have to come, make the come first. You understand? Zane, me have to make the come first. Big up to the rude boys, them in that place. Big up to the foundation people, them. But yeah, most of them dance when it keep people at the top about me not get enough R&B, me not get enough soul, me not get enough dish. So, we have to rub down the girls, them love angles, and squeeze up them body and make them feel good and go home now so go enjoy the thing. But right now, I'll play some tune for the foundation. Rude boys. You understand thing. Big up success. You don't know 30 much. 33 years. Standing tall, still in our business. Enough people will see us come and not drop and gone. K Infinity. Come see ya about something. Yeah, bring back the actor days. Remember them days there. We come see our success and what name again? Nobody. I tell you, your success and classic and dicey fresh. What that we talk about what me just come. You get what me as a celebrity. Yes, what me just come. New celebrity. That was it. Yeah. When me just come, I see all out that bun dog in whole place. Me I say, Lord, me I forgot 15 myself, you know. Died for me. Well, you want me, so when me 15, everything all right. Big up to people, me know see you have money in your pocket, but you not get the love, but I saw it go. Love will come without money. So you hear me? May I bring back some tune to the foundation now?
All right.
Listen, man.
Oh, yeah.
Me I bring back some tune now. Let's roll in the morning, yeah.
I've got to get love and hate can never be friends. Oh no.
Them say who God bless them and curse.
No.
From God love you, we have you on in our ear and sing.
Here I come with love and not hatred.
Ready?
Show the goodness and mercy shall follow I.
Pull up. Foundation sound.
Come along.
So I'm going to play some foundation
And
sound.
dig my song.
Fix up the morning, follow me on belly. Oh my God.
Too much wilderness.
Oh, night.
Too much enter.
Yes, so big up yourself now.
Wolves and leopards are trying to kill
the sheep and sometimes you don't have no money, but you love her for a girl, you tell her this. Pepper IPI, send me training up, big up yourself. Black Squad, big up yourself.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love.
Jim Bob said pull up. Jim Bob said pull up. I do remember we don't know you have food run on the back, you know. Jerk chicken, curry goat, everything.
Yeah. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love.
Sometime in life you wake up in the morning, no money the day in your pocket. Don't cuss God. Don't cuss nobody. Because sometimes God have to provide for somebody else. So listen to Junior.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa.
Just give thanks and you wake up. Scrape it, what you say?
When the road is tall up yonder, I've got to be there.
Scrape it, pull up.
When the road is tall up yonder, yes, I want to be there.
And when the
Reading is playing in the dance, I
got to be
there.
Listen in the morning,
Life is one big road with a lot of sign. One big road with a lot of
listen to what nobody have. If you feel have it, you go have it, so tell them.
Life is one big road with a lot of sign. Sign in both sides. I'm gonna make up my mind to face reality all the time. Whoa.
Many a
sorrow, many a joy. Never you try to take life for a time.
Yes.
Some may do good, Lord, some doing bad. And these kind of bad doings driving me mad. Cause when sunshine today,
I don't want my knees and pray. I said, Lord,
send it tomorrow. I said, Lord, let me have joy.
Never let me have
sorrow.
I lie. I lie. I lie. And you know me just don't get mad. What do you want me showing us? Me just don't get mad. Listen this. Listen this.
Listen, darling.
Where's some tune belly? Wow.
Now who's gonna hold and squeeze my time? Now that she's gone out of my
Bob Colony, wow. Where's some Bob like? Who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do? The people that come out so wow. Now that my love is over. Oh, I get fucking that man in the man. Where's some tune belly?
I heard you said to me, you wanna be mine.
How the feeling?
So let's talk about it, sister. Now the game has just begun.
We know the light come on and I'm not stressing to them, but sing the part, sing the part.
So
if you wanna, oh you mean?
oh no, yeah.
We're ready in the morning, I'm ready.
Oh no, got 'em.
Bad boy son.
Oh yeah. Alright.
Trust me, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Let's go now. Oh nice. He's a dancer fresh, big up yourself, yo! Big up yourself, bro! Again! I'm like, you think you start, can't get? You wait until I play the next one. I miss a key! What miss a what? Bob like, you think you start, can't get? Mama, play that one, you there. You think you start, can't get? Look out for Sunny and 58 to the months up coming. Why say what? Play them up and shoot, belly.
Yeah.
Just see the cut shot.
Yeah.
We just have to turn and let go. Wow. Baby, baby, I So what you to learn? Slow. Can I play one more Frankie Paul? Can I play one more Frankie Paul? If you want one more Frankie Paul, say yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
Alright, big up yourself. Nottingham Frankie Paul.
Go now. Don't look back. We've drawn the line.
I miss a
move on. It's so good.
Easy,
back in time.
Wow.
Cause I would never find a girl like you. For I'd be anything takes two.
We fire.
And ice.
How do love her? Frankie Paul, sing the part, yeah.
I can tell you a story about what one dance can do.
Right now, big up Maria, my barber, and I play so now. We keep big up yourself, yo.
After one dance on the floor, she came back.
You know, Paul, my couple fix up and make a different. No, you see it? Yeah.
I don't know what it is that I've got.
Yo, brother.
But she whispered it was so nice, so nice.
He's a real barber, man.
But her man is sitting across the way.
Wow.
And he could hear the things I say.
Come on.
Now we watches from the corner.
We just have tea for the good time. We have tea for the good time.
So we move like this.
Not tell nobody, not tell nobody. After party. Pretty easy.
She doesn't want me around.
Come on!
She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown.
Yeah!
Someone to take for a ride.
All the ladies who know your experience, sing the part, yeah!
I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll.
Come on! I'm too experienced for someone to reckon. Oh, you mean?
Too experienced to be taking for a ride.
And I know I'm not my foolish. Ladies, I want to say thanks for coming out. Big up to all the man who well behave. And that I like with big people together. You can't get free. Enjoy yourself and full dry yourself to the beach. You know who want to play the one, yeah? Who want to play the before me go? Who want to play the one before me go? Lay my body down to make love. Right, so goodness gracious me. I was supposed to say, look out for Sunny 50th. Right, that's all. Ukrainian. Look out for Sunny 50th. You don't know. She support everybody thing. So it's all about Ukrainian Center. Just check out that the 50th. We get the date. Remember my date, Paul? Anyone remember my date? Everybody remember my date? But look out for it. Look out for Clarendon invasion. You don't know it's all about. Turbosonic come to town. Mad something. You understand? Q and the whole family, whole Rocky crew. Them. You don't know them support everybody think shot. That's why I think there. May I play my final one and then you don't know a sight going a good night and goodbye.
Love.
yourself. Out to the magical cool family street.
I wanna give you all my loving, girl, until you surrender. I wanna touch you here and touch you there with touch so warm and tender.
Cause tonight is a